Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine, and this is the routine that completely cleared my acne and my dark spots. So as a lot of you may remember, I had horrible acne, and the crazy thing is it just kind of came out of nowhere. I literally woke up one day and my face was completely broken out. In case you don't remember, I'll go ahead and give you guys a reminder. It was absolutely terrible. Like, it was just breaking out everywhere, and I wasn't really sure what was going on because I never really had acne in the past. Like, I would get an occasional breakout here or there, but nothing like what happened to my skin in 2016. So I started trying to do different things to clear my skin up, but I realized really quickly that I wasn't going to be able to do it myself. I knew that there was nothing that I could use over the counter that was gonna make my skin better. So I just decided to go ahead and go to a dermatologist, and I went to the Skin Wellness Center in Homewood, Alabama. Corey Hartman, absolute amazing dermatologist. He completely cleared my skin and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to do this video to kind of let you know about some of the products that I'm using and let you know about the different ingredients that are in those products, just in case you can't get to a dermatologist. Maybe you can try some of the products that have the same ingredients and maybe they will help you and help your skin. And what you have to really remember with skincare is it's so personal. Just because it works for me doesn't mean that it'll necessarily work for you, and I know it can be that way with a lot of different products, but I feel like it's even more so with skincare because you have your diet to take into consideration and all of that. But I really just wanted to do this video and let you guys know the exact products that helped me clear my skin. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. So if you're a makeup wearer like myself, before you can actually start cleansing your skin, you have to make sure that all the makeup is removed, all the gunk is off of your face. So I like to use like a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm, something like that. So one product that I really love to use to get all of my makeup off is this Clinique Take the Day Off, and this is really great. So it's pretty much just a cleansing balm, and this is what it looks like, and I put it all over my face, and you can literally just see the makeup just falling off and it's just dissolving away. And then I just like to take a warm washcloth and wipe it off, and all of the makeup is gone. And then also another product that I like to use from time to time to remove my makeup is this one by Lancome, and this is the foaming cleansing makeup remover. And what I'll do is take about 2 pumps of this and I'll apply it to my dry face, and then I like to add a little bit of lukewarm water, and I take a washcloth and my face is squeaky clean and it's ready to start cleansing. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about cleansing the skin, and the cleanser that I use every single night is a clarifying cleanser. So I actually got it from my dermatologist's office. I think it might be something that they make themselves, but I'm not really sure. But the product does have glycolic acid and salicylic acid in it, which are 2 products that are really important for me keeping my skin really nice and clear. So I just use a tiny bit of this, and a tiny bit goes a long way. So to make sure that my skin is really nice and clean and that the cleanser is getting deep into my pores, I like to use the Foreo Luna Mini 2. So I just recently upgraded because they came out with a new one. I was using the Foreo Luna Mini, but because I have been using that for so long and it was working great for my skin, I figured that I would go ahead and upgrade, and I really love using this because it just really helps to get the product deep into my pores, and it just really helps my skin get to that next level of clean. And one thing that I really enjoy about the Foreo cleaning device is that it gets my skin really nice and squeaky clean, but it's not overly abrasive, because I want my skin nice and clean, but I don't want it to be something that's gonna leave my skin looking and feeling aggravated. Another thing that's really great about the Luna Mini 2 is that you can charge it one time and get almost 300 uses out of it, which is absolutely insane. You charge it once and you can use it for almost an entire year. So I love the fact that you don't have to worry about recharging it every single night. It's pretty much designed to help resist the buildup of bacteria. So that makes it a lot more hygienic than those nylon bristle facial brushes, which have been known to damage your skin and cause breakouts. But I love that it pretty much restores your skin's natural radiance, and it tackles blackheads, and they do offer a full 2-year warranty. So So yeah, it's just a really great cleansing device. I absolutely love it. And if you have acne prone skin, I would highly recommend that you give it a try. I will have a link listed below so you guys can check it out. After my skin is really nice and clean, I like to go in with a clarifying pad, and I also get these from my dermatologist's office. They also contain glycolic acid and salicylic acid, the same as the cleanser, and I think using these two products together really help keep my breakouts down, which is my main concern. I just want to make sure that my skin is really nice and clear. The next product I want to talk about, I think had the largest impact on helping change my skin and improve my skin, and that is Tretnoin Cream. Tretnoin is something that I will always incorporate into my skincare routine because it just made the biggest difference in my skin. So it really helped with the acne breakouts, but it also helped with the hyperpigmentation. I like to use just a tiny bit of it. A tiny bit is going to make the biggest difference. I also kind of like to spot treat with it. So if I notice that I'm getting a breakout, then I will put it directly on that breakout. But yeah, it has just been so great for my skin. I like to use it on my nose area because you guys know that I do have large pores there. So I use the 0.05 percentage, but I do think you have to have a prescription for that amount. But Tretnoin has been so great for my skin, and it's what really made a noticeable change within my skin. So if you've been dealing with dark spots and hyperpigmentation, I highly recommend that you try to find a product that has Tretnoin. And then maybe 2 or 3 times out of the week, I like to use a facial oil, especially during this time of the year when it's a little bit cooler out. Sometimes my skin can get a little bit drier. So the one that I've been using here recently is by the brand Sunday Riley, and you can pick their products up from Sephora. So I love this oil because it helps with congested pores, but it also has 1.5% of salicylic acid within it. So that's also going to help with breakouts, and that is my main concern. Like I told you guys before, I really want to make sure that I'm not getting breakouts. So I love that this oil has salicylic acid incorporated in it. Also within my skincare routine, I like to use a toner. Now I'm not really picky. I have a few different ones that I switch between. One that I really like is this one by the brand Fresh. It's really nice because it helps with the appearance of large pores, and we all know your girl got some large pores. So I love to use anything that's going to help with that. And then it also helps mattify your skin. So if you're looking for something that's going to help with large pores, but it's also going to help keep you matte, then definitely give this toner a try. So really quickly, I want to talk about the moisturizer that I've been using. I love the Clinique Moisture Surge. So normally I am a little bit more on the oily side, especially in the T-zone area, but during the cooler months, I do get a little bit drier, especially around my chin area. So I love to use this Clinique Moisture Surge because it gives you added moisture, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily or anything like that. So I highly recommend it if you just want something that's gonna give you a little bit of hydration, but it's not gonna leave you feeling oily. All right guys, so that's everything for my skincare routine. Those are the products that I'm currently using, and those are also the products that help clear my skin of acne and hyperpigmentation. Be sure to check out the Foreo Luna Mini 2. I will have it linked and listed below. And if you're interested in any of the other products that I've mentioned throughout the video, those will also be listed and linked in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye!